Okay, the first data, what is happening here? So here it is the title is there. So this is my title, and this is a text. When I submit means it is going to be hit to the server and it is going to be sent the data. So how it is sending? So post data, here it is a code is there. So this is my input field and this is a text area field. Okay, so now what we have done, so this is a name attribute we have taken and the place attribute the title and value equals to post dot title. What is the post data? So post data is an use state hook, so that is we have called. So title body we have initiated. So whenever I call the post data, by default title body with the empty string will come. So initially it's a empty string because of it is assigned with a empty string. If you added a something a string here, so automatically that is a string will be displayed. Save it, we'll go here, run it. See here, the hello word is automatically it will display. So empty, we define a empty means so it is a empty is there. Okay, so then what happens? So this is the value will be post dot title is an empty initially, post dot body is an empty. So on change, for the every on change this is calling a event handler. So that is a change handler. What is happening? Event dot target dot name means what? So this is the title will come. Event dot target dot value is what is this one? So whatever the value I am going to be typing that one. So that is the key pair value will be stored here. So what is the key value here? Title. What is the value? So key, what is the key here? Title. What is the value? Something your, this is the value. What is the key here? Body is a key. What is the value? Something whatever the data you are going to be stored. So that will be stored into a post data. Okay, so then what happens? Then we are calling a submit functionality. When we click on a submit, it is going to be called the submit data function. Then we have used the API URL. Okay, if you don't have an API URL, you can use store locally, so that is also possible. Okay, so then it is going for the await Axios post and it is calling the API URL. This is the post data, whatever the data you have typed in the text box and the text area. And once it is successful, it is going to be telling that, okay, it is successful, or else it is an error, it is going to be show an error. So this is a clear. For the get data, so here also from the server we are going to be call, and how it is there. I am calling the one method on click event. For the on click event, it is going to be called the get data server method. So how to okay, just I will comment this one and I will uncomment this one, get data from the server. So this comment will be open. So when I click this, so the data is loading. How it is loading? The first it is going to be store a UI, so get data. So when I click on a get data, on click event is be happened and get data from server is a method is called. Here I have taken on variable and it is storing a value with a post. Sorry, this URL or a server. So then it is going to be store this URL. So then a response await axios.get. Get means what, taking the data from the server. So once a response is came, so that response I am going to be set. Where I am setting for the post array object. Initially it is an array, empty array. When I call a set post all the data from the server, so that is going to be set to the posts. Okay, post dot map post. So li key equals to post dot id, post dot title, or post dot body. So this is, you know how to I display the data. So this is how we have done. So third, what we have done, we have done with the edit a, sorry, delete a post. But what we have done, so we don't have a server. Then what we have to do? We have to do locally. Okay, so how to do locally? So this is how we have done. So I have taken a post and I have taken a initially some values. Okay, so here what I will do, I will just delete this data, or else I will just change a 1 2 3 4, something like that. Save it, we'll go here. So something like that, it is going to be show. 1 2 3 id 1 minute. Why it is deleting all the items at a one time? Delete. Let delete. Save it. Okay, okay, yeah. Post dot id and the post id. Okay, so here what is happening here? So we are going to be take our dummy data here. So this is the post it is taking a dummy data. So that is my two datas are there. So here what happens? So this data already defined. So that's why I am going to be map a post dot map a post. So li post dot id post dot title post dot body. Okay, so then button on click delete post. When I click on delete a post, it is going to be taken ID. Okay, so that ID is passing here in the delete a post. Okay, so constant update data I taken on variable. So then posts. So first I want to search for the posts dot filter. So I'm going to be filter that post. I'm going to be the post dot id. So it will check for the id one. If post dot id is equals to post id, what is the post id? Here the which id I am going to be delete, that is the post id. The post dot id, from here it is going to be delete a, what I can say, delete a id. So if the both are matches, then it is going to be delete. Okay. So I will add some more data. Say this is the data one, data two, and copy three, save it. Why two data is are deleting? Okay, post ID, delete. Okay, okay, delete ID two, ID will run one more time. Okay, so I will see this one, but just you understand what is the delete a post. So delete means how it is going to be pass a ID. So control shift I. If you just go for the network, just delete here. XSR. Okay, here it is not calling. So if you want to do console means you can just do console. Okay, so delete a post means what? So here I am calling the delete a post method and it is passing a post ID as well. Okay, so if you want to debug me, so just do console.log, save it. What I am going to be pass here, delete a post. Okay, so this post ID I want to add here. Save it, run it. We will go for the console, delete here, run it. So if I just delete a post, see that is the post 2 is called. Same thing. So I will call this post 3 is called. Okay, so just understand why I am deleting this. I will log it and I will check. Okay, so now delete means what? It is going to be, I am sending a delete ID from here for the delete post, and it is going to be pass a post ID when the this post dot ID, the this is the post dot ID is equals to post ID. If both are matches, then it is going to be delete the data. Okay, same thing we are doing with the editor post. So for editor post, just control forward slash. I want to create a one file, editor post data dot jsx. Okay, React function component export. Save it. So here uh, I want to create a first data, right? So for that constant I will create a use state hook and I will create a to data. Okay, so that is fine. So what is the, sorry, the first data will be id colon 1 and title colon post 1 and something body or content body colon content for a post 1. Okay, same thing I will copy to. Okay, so this is a my initially data for the posts comma set posts. Okay, so this is clear. So now what happens here, I want to display the data, right? First, so to display the data, what we have to do? We have to iterate here. So how to iterate? So just I want to go here, H2, the post editor example. Save it. Okay. So now what we are going to do? So we need to just add that component. So where we will add a editor post, save it, run it. We'll go to the code. Okay, editor post. Still editor post is coming. Why? Yeah, we have done a little mistake. Form editor post data. Okay, so what is the mistake we have done? Everything is correct. Yeah, here we have done the mistake. Save it, run it. The post edit example is there. So first what we have to do, we have to iterate the data. Okay, so how to iterate the data? So just I want to go for the oh sorry, UL, and inside open close flower bracket, inside a post dot map of equals to open close brace of, sorry, so post, I want to take a one more variable post, or else if you want I can take it as an x, or you can y, any variable on the post. What post contains is your all the data it is contain. So that data is dumped here. So now I want to iterate to li item. Okay, for the li item, so we need to pass the key prop. So key equals to y dot id. Okay, so we know this one. The next is, yeah, we done a little bit mistake here. So just I will remove one more time. Open close brace, that's correct. The post is there, dot map is there, open close brace, round bracket. Again there is a arrow function. Okay, so here I want to pass a one more dummy variable, that is a variable y. So now here we want to pass a li. So in the li we are going to be uh, pass the props here. What is the props we are going to be passed? So key y dot id. What is y dot id means 1 and a 2 is to be passed here. So now what I want to do, I want to take the span. Inside the span I want to pass the two data. So what is this one? Y dot title means this one, y dot body means this one. So y dot title, and I will add a sum hyphen hyphen and open close brace y dot body. Okay, so this is y dot title means post 1, post 2, Okay, so why not? What can say? So now I want to take a one button here. Button, edit a post. Okay, or edit anything. So here I want to take a one on click event. So then we are calling a one function, arrow function. So what is the method? Edit a post method. I want to call one method. Then what we have to pass? We have to pass the ID because we are going to be display the data. So now what I want to do? Y dot ID. Okay, so now here editor post is not defined, is there? Okay, let it be. So I want to create a editor post here. Constant editor post equals to, okay. So now we are going to be pass the post ID. Okay, so just go to the browser. See here, this is the post one, content for post one, post two, this is the content for post two. So if I click on edit a post, it is going to be called the edit a post method and passing the ID one because of this is the post ID one. So this is the post ID two. When I click on edit a post, it is calling up ID two, then it is going to be called a post ID. Okay, so now what I have to do? So till now we have done with the what you can say calling the up to edit a post. So we will just debug how to whether it is coming or not. So how to check? So CLG the post ID where it is coming from. It is coming from here, but so here y dot ID is there. Here it is a post dot ID means see we are just defining the variable but value should be a value is a passing here. So let's see. So if I click here, okay, let's see. If I click means it has to be common. See, the post ID 1 is came. If I click 2, the post ID 2 is coming. How? Because so we are calling the y dot title y dot body means so this is of post 1. So for the second y dot title means uh, post 2 and y dot body is equal to content. Okay, so you can pass like anything. If you want to display one more item, copy, control V. So this is the third and post 3 and 3. Save it, run it. So here it is a two children with the key two. One, two, three. Okay, save it. We'll run it. So, warning encounter two children with the same key. Key should be unique component with their initially. So I think 1, 2 is there. Let's see. Delete. Okay, correct. Okay, so we got to know we are till now we are calling with the post ID. So when I click here, it is calling a post. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to find the post from where. See, when I click here, it is going to be edit. Again, what we are going to do by taking this post, it is finding this one, whether it is a 1 or 2 or 3, then it is going to be update. Okay, let's see here. So what is the actual array? Posts. So it contains all the three information. Post dot find of. So I am going to be dump here. So from the post to only post. Okay. Post equals to post dot id equals to post id. What is the post dot id and post id? See, post dot id, this one, and the post id from here it is going to be clicking. No, that is one. So here it is a list. So this is the post id and uh, this is the post dot id is from here. Why it is doing like this? It is comparing. When I click here, whether I clicked for the one or a two or a three. So post dot find a post. So what is the post? It containing all the three values, and all three values are dumped here. So post dot id means what? First it will check for the one is okay. That is also I will explain. If I click here edit, it is calling a post dot three, or else I will check three. So it is calling for three. So I need to update only post three. So here what happens? So post ID means what? Here 3 is there. Okay. So post dot ID, it will check if post dot ID is post dot ID means first it is a 1. Is post dot ID 1 is equals to 3? No. So then nothing is happened. Again post dot id is a 2 equals to 3. No. Again post dot id 3 will come. 3 is come means, so then it is going to be store that value. Where it is going to be store the value? So here it is a constant, what is that one? Post to edit equals to. Got it? We got to know. When I click here on any post, it is going to be sent here with the editor post method. So then console.log, this is a log. So it is going to be checked for the all, which post we need to edit from the array. So post to edit, we got to know which post to edit. If you want to see here what it contains, CLG post to edit. Save it. We will go here. So just click here. See, post dot to, see I click for the edit for a post to, so so that post is coming here. Got it? So how it is coming? So we are going to be find the post id matches from the array to the post id what we are going to be edit. Okay. So now what I want to do, I want to take a one more, what you can say, a data here. So one more use state hook. So for editing the data, so constant square bracket equals to use state bracket, then I will take a array, that is an empty array. So what is the empty array? id colon null. Okay. So a title colon empty, body colon empty. So here I will take a edited post comma set edited post. Why I am taking this one? So whatever the data is coming, right? So this is the edited post. Okay. So initially it is a empty. So once I find a data, so that is the edited post I want to take it here. Okay. So here what happens here? I will do here set edited post to what? Post to edit. Copy, Control V, save it. See if you do console.log here, CLG, the post to edit a data has been set. Save it. We'll go here. So if I click here, see here. So I will run again. I will click here for the post 3. So here post 3 is there. Then edit post 16. What is this one? Console dot. This is the post to edit. And the third one is the object is there because we are going to be display with the string. Okay, so that is the object. If you want to display the object means what you have to do, JSON dot stringify you have to do. I don't want to do no. So now what happens here? Here I want to, okay, I got to know when I click here means what, okay, for the ID I need to update. So now I will take a one more, what is that one? The post I will take a one more function here. What is the one more function? Delete here. So just we have clicked, that is the data is came. Then we are taking a one more post here. So edit a post, this is happened. So now what is the actual edit a post functionality is there? So just I will show here, code pen editor data with the React.js. I will take one example, okay? So what is the data? So to edit means, so first it is going to be show the data. Then once we click on edit the data, it has to show the output. So it is not showing. I will take a editable React table. See now what this is the data, same edit functionality. To delete means it is going to be delete. So edit means what? Once I click edit, the author to post to it is taken as a one object. Then we have to make a UI like this. So editable. So this type of a text field. So something author to and something like this and something and a submit. So this is how changed, right? So I want to add something. Author will be Chetan Bhagat. Something half girlfriend something description, uh, it's a novel. So submit. So here what we have done, we have done with the display the data. Once we click data, so that is we have taken the data now. So then we have to do display the card or something form or something like that, we have to show this one. Okay. So here what happens? We are taking a one more thing. What is the one more thing we are going to be taken? So we are going to be taken a, so edit a post. So this form I want to decide. So till now we have taken the data, we have displayed here, and we have done the edit a post. What to edit a post? That data is here. Okay, so now we are going to be display in the UI, right? So that is the data I want to show here. I am showing in the here. So I am showing here, but I want to show here, right? So I need a edit options for this data. So how to do this one? So I want to take a one ternary operation. So after that the UL tag, I want to take a one ternary operation. Okay, so that is. So what is that one? Is editing, and so that is we are going to be what we are going to take here. So we are going to be take a one div, not like this. Div, div. Okay, so we have taken a div. So then I will take a h2. So the editor post. So that's fine. So then I want to take a input component. From the input component, what we have to take? So type equals to the text, and value equals to edited post dot title, and the on change equals to, I want to pass the event object equals to set edited post bracket. So then we are passing the spread operator, edited post comma the title colon e dot target dot value. Okay, input type is text, value equals to edited post, and the value equal to title equals to e dot target dot a value. So this is for what? This is for the what you can say, um, title. Same thing we need to do for the text area. So this is a one new, and we are going to be taken one more text area. Okay, so what I will do, I will make a self closing tag. Okay, so text area, then the value equals to editor post. What is the second parameter? The body. Editor post dot body. Then we are this is the value. So there is one more functionality, that is the on change e dot, sorry, e equals to set edit post. Okay, so then the method, then the object dot edit post comma a body colon e dot target dot value. Okay, so now set post is there. So this is for the input type of text. So is editing is there. So is editing is there. It means then we are going to be store this one, or else we have a one more thing to display. So that is we are going to be see here. So that is a edit a post. So body is there. So edit a post is a variable, and a body a dot target dot value is there. Okay. So after the text area, we are calling the, that is the button editor post. Okay. So editor plus. So then on click. So then save edited a data, edited data. So this method I am going to be called. So D caps copy. So here save edited data. So constant. So now what we are going to do? Save edited post. Okay. Save edited data or anything. So you can take it as a post or anything. So let's take it as a save edited post, okay, equals to open close brace, then what the arrow function. So then we need to call the function. So now we are going to what the post dot map bracket open close brace. We are going to be pass a post equals to, I need to pass the data here. What is the data? Post dot id is triple equals to edited edited post dot id. Okay, edited post dot id, where it is the edited post id is there. So edited post id. So the post dot id equal to edited post id. So or either we are matching the uh, post id and edited post colon to post. Okay, so that is the, if post dot id and edited post id is similar, then the edited post means what? So this is the edited post set to what? So that is a, which is the matching post, so that is set to the edited post. Okay, so now what we are going to do? So we are going to be store in a some variable, right? The constant updated post equals to this one. Okay. Okay, so the post dot id is equals to, just read this. So here what we have done, button on click. Sorry, I had a mistake. So here there is a no map to come. So button on click saved post. So this is had, this is not to come here. Oh, it is came saved post, save edited post. Okay, save edited post. Okay, then e dot targeted value. So error is there 24. 24, where is the 24? Okay, so now what we are going to do here, we'll try it one more time. So here what happens here, once I click on this one, it has to be called the save edit post method. Okay, so here what happened here, we are passing a data here. What data? Already we have a data we have edited, so that edited post I need to store. Okay, for that a constant, I will take a updated post equals to, so I will take a my logic here. So post dot map of the post equals to, so I need to pass a data here. What is the data I need to pass? Post dot id is triple equals to edited post dot id. If post dot id from where? So this is the from the post dot id. The edited post means what? Once you click for edit and you have done the some edited edit, no, so that id, if the both are matches, So then what you have to do, edited post colon post, save it. So now what you are going to be do, so now we are we have done the what you can say, uh, edited post data. So now we'll see what is the output it will come. So set editing is there. So we are going to be take a one more thing is a the use data a true or false. Okay, so where we are going to be, take a true or false. So this is the constant bracket equals to use state and a bracket. So what is this one? If you take a true means it is going to be show the edit form, or else if you take a false. So what is the data we are going to be pass here? We have is editing. Okay. So that is we are going to be take a is editing, comma set is editing, something like that. Okay. So then what I am going to do? I will call here set is editing equals to true. Let's see the code. We'll go here, localhost 3000. So this is my data is there. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going with the line by line. First, what is this one? This is my data where it contains in the post it is containing. So there we are going to be display the post dot map. So that is the title, id and the editor post. So here it is still clear. Then when I click here, so this poster data is available. So when I click means what? Okay, so when I click on this one, okay, edit a post. So where it is going here? It is going here, edit a post method. Okay, so where is the edit a post method? Here it is my edit a post method. So edit a post method here. What I have to not here? We need to set a true here. We'll go once again. This is the data we have displayed the from the object post. So that is we know. So then, so that is we are going to be map through here, and we have a button on click. So when we click on edit a post, what is need to be happen? See, this is how it is coming. So just reload it. If I click edit a post one, so this is the post one, the description is not coming, we'll see this. If I click edit two, so two is coming, three is coming. Sorry. So here what we have to, I want to go for the edit a post. So then it is coming here. Once it is the mass post to edit is matched, I will remove this one. Set edit a post. Okay, so that is what is this one? So this is we are going to be called the editor post. Where is the editor post we are displaying here? So here in the input text box, editor post here. So editor post dot title and editor post by body. So it has to be display the editor post body. So why it is not displaying? Let's see. So if I click here, so the data 2 is coming here. Where is the data 2 is here? So here it is coming. So if you want to see the, okay, so set edit post. How it is happening here? Post dot find the post. What is the post? So this is the post. The post dot find id. So and the post id. What is the post id? So here it is getting, that is the post id, and this is the post id. If the post is matching, so then it is going to be a store here. So where it is storing? It is storing to the where set edit post. So then set edit post, it is going for the where a post to edit. Okay, what is the post to edit? So that is the, you are going to be editor the use state to editor post. So if you want to do console.log here, clz, we are setting here, right? Copy, control V, save it, run it. So what is happening here? Once I click here, the post 2 is displaying. Why not displaying this 2? So here it is a, yeah, here it is a somewhere we are doing a wrong here. The post, edit a post, save edit a post, use state. So we are calling here. Okay, first we'll go here one by one. So this is a my editor post. When I click on a, so editor post method, where it is coming? So it is coming to the editor post method. Okay, so in the edit post method, what it is there? So I am taking a constant post to edit or anything, any variable. This is the user defined variable. So post dot find method to find the specific post ID. Post equals to post dot ID. Okay, I had done a little. So here the comparison, both the double equals to I used. I need to use here the triple equals to. So what is the triple equals to? It is compare the value and the type. So the post dot ID is if the both are matches. So then call the set edit post. So what is the set edit post? So edited post. So that is the post to edit. Okay. So this is the value. So now we will see the console.log here. Reload, edit a post. See now it is a coming here. So what we got to know? So up to edit a post. Okay, till here the data is coming correct. Console.log edit a post, set loading is false, true. So if I make a by default 2 means what happens? Save it, reload. See, I don't want initially, but it is showing. So if you don't want to do this one, so just go for the false, save it. Okay, so now what happening here? The editor post is there, post to edit. We got to know which post to be edited. So that post is set to the where here for the use state. Initially it is a null value, but we have set to the value, so that is why it is a showing the editor post. Sorry, still it is not showing. What is a mistake? Post edit, set edit, editor post. Post dot find the post post dot id is equals to, so this is the post dot id is here. Okay, and this is the post dot id we get from here. So now post dot title. Okay, so just I will open my get repository. I think sign in. Google. Okay, so we are calling the functionality, everything is correct. So let's see what is the mistake we have done. Right, what is not this one. Source, components, and where is this in HTTP? Edit a post. Okay, first we'll copy paste and execute. So we'll execute this. I will take a one more component, test.jsx. So control V, so control V, test2. Save it. We'll import here. Test2. Save it. We'll go here. Okay. The edit here. Virat. Okay, it is changing. So we might done some typo mistake here. Okay. We'll compare one by one. So here it is a what is this one? The post dot title. So display the thing it is happening. So the everything is correct. We'll take a comparison into one by one. This is here and this is here. Okay, what mistake we have done? So we have taken a data here in the post. So that is okay post. Okay, so this is the three post we have taken, and ease editing is initially false. So ours also ease editing is false only. That is a clear. So then this is the data we are going to be display here, the post dot map. So that is the data is display, the data display is proper. So then is editing is true. Then here I think we have done a mistake. I think so. So input type equal to text, value equal to editor post. Okay. The first one is a input type value type equal to text, value equal to editor post or title. On change equals to e dot set edited post. So editor post dot title e dot target dot value. Fine. Text area value equal to editor post dot body. So they have taken a content. So that's fine. We have taken a content. So body is there. On change event. So on change event means what? We are changing a event, sending a event object. So then edit a post. Yeah, we done a here we have a edited base post I have taken. Here it is a edit a post I have taken. That is the mistake. Save it. Okay, so now e dot target dot value is there. So just we'll go check once again. So rerun it. So just I want to check. Anyhow, we will compare all the code once. Okay, so this is the on click means. So we are calling a something save edit poster, save edit poster. So here till down we are coming. So just I want to go here the edit a post. Now it is coming something like this. So I need to call the functionality here. So save. So it is just change. I need to change the component. I need to call this one. Save it. Reload. Edit a post. Still not coming. What is the mistake? So edit a post, hours also, the edited post, edited post, and edited post is correct. So we are using the spread operator. So that is the body e dot target at value and the title equal to e dot target dot value. Okay. So now once we click means, so where it is going for edit a post method. Okay, where is the edit a post method? So here it is the edit a post method. Okay, so here in the edit a post method, we are passing here also edit a post of the post ID. We are passing correct constant post to edit. So post to edit post dot find post dot. So we are dumping a post dot equals to post dot ID, and this is the comparison also we have done. So set edited post equals to post to edit. So here we have set to the here. So here we have taken a null title body, correct. And here we need to call the set edit post method. Okay, fine. We'll do one thing. We will execute this example. I will take a little bit a small example because of here what happens. We have taken array one thing and edit a post one thing. So we will take a separate code. Means this is the complex code will be not happen. So till now we have done with here. Okay, so why it is not showing the data instance? We need to cross check the data passing the props in the editor. So if you check properly, then save means it has to be called the save functionality. So here at least I can just copy paste these two methods, not to write once again. Save edit post, control V, save it. Is editing, is set editing. What is my set is editing is there? So just I want to change set is editing files. So we'll go here, rerun it, edit a post, save post, edit a post, save post. See, it is changing. Okay, so what is the save post? Is I am taking the one variable save post. So post dot map post id equal to edited post. What is the edited post means? So here this is the it will check for this post dot id and edited post id equals to edited post equals to post, means for the edited post it is going to be apply this post. So then set post. What is a set post? So this is a set post is going to be apply the edited post. What I have edited, I have edited here. Okay, so just I will go through one more time. Okay, so first what is this one? This is the my post data. Okay, so that is a clear. So that posts are coming. So that post it is going to be a display here. So where it is displaying here, so this is the post dot map. I have taken a y dummy variable. So post dot title, post dot body, and I have called a one edit a post method. So that is a clear. Till that it's a clear. So then we are calling the one more on click method. Once we click on edit a post, it is calling the edit post method. So where is the edit a post method? Here it is the edit post method. What I am going to be take along with the editor, I am taking the ID attribute. Where it is the ID attribute? So here it is the ID attribute. So once the ID is came the editor post, here what I want to do, I will take a one more element, the editor post to edit. Means which post I need to edit. So here I want to find the post. See, Out of three, I have selected one. So I need to find, right? For that, post dot find post. So means, so all the post I have dumped here, the post dot id. So first I will check for the one. So the post id, which id I have clicked. If I click id 3, so it will check for the post ID 1, it is not matching, 2 is not matching, 3 is matching. So then, so that means the post 3 is need to be what we can, so we can, what we can say, we can edit. We got to know, so post 3 we are going to be edit whole data we have taken from the here. How? This is a here. So now that post data I am going to be set to the here. How? So we have already defined the id null, title, body. So that data what I got from the post dot edit, okay, post to edit data is there, no? So that is, I am going to be set to the id equals to 3, title equals to post 3, body equals to 3. So then that is data is updated to the post to edit data is set to, so this edited post. Okay, now automatically we are calling the set editing is a true. So here what we are going to do, so we are taking a ternary operation. It is a shortened displaying of a ternary operation. Is editing equals to and open close brace, and it is edit a post, input type equals to value equal to edited post. What is the edited post? We set here earlier the id3 value. So that is a, the edited post dot title is a title 3, and edited post body is a that is a body 3. So then when we click on change, okay, so on change means it, till that this it is came for the text box. If I done here, so I have clicked here, then it is calling a edit this. So on change event here it is calling a on change event. So so this is the on change event. So here the post dot in. Once I click on the here edit a post, so this is the on change event. Once I click a save to edit a post, so then it is calling the this method. So this method is here constant updated post posts dot map. So again I want to find the value post dot id is equal to edited post id. If the both are matches, so then you can dump the edited post to the a post. Okay, so then set post, it is going to be, set post means what? It is going to update the data to the this post. So set post, it is going to be get the updated post. So that is it is going to be display here. Let's say if I want to take a this one, I will take a save to edit this one, and I will add a something data here, save, and I will add this one, hello world. This is the data. Okay, so this is how it is the editor post is happening. So you might feeling like that, okay, little bit confusion. Why? Because we are dealing with the local data, but with the API also we are doing the same thing. So no